Alright, so today I'm going to do a haul. I bought some stuff from Prettylittlething, so I'm going to try it on, and I hope that I like this stuff because I've been having horrible luck with them lately. Like, I've had to send so much stuff back, so I'm really hoping that all the stuff that I got this time is good. So I'm just going to pull them out piece by piece. I just got a couple things, nothing crazy. Alright, so this is the top. So it fits pretty good. And this top is a size 4. All the other stuff I got was in a 6, but this is a 4 because I wanted it to be tight. And you definitely have to make sure you wear like the right bra with this if you do wear a bra because it comes real low. So the next thing was I got these little black denim cutoff shorts. And these are a size 6. Alright, so putting the shorts on. These don't fit. They're too big. Wow. Last time I got a size 4, they were too small, and so I got a size 6 this time, and now they're too big. They're too big. These are like way too big. I don't understand at all. This is the black Prettylittlething side tape shell trouser. This is a size 6 also. So they basically like track pants, I think. All these threads are hanging out of this. Okay. So these are the pants on. They like high waisted. So I probably wouldn't wear a shirt like this with it. I'll probably wear like a crop top. But these are cute. And the leg is wide leg. I can't see it. So this is the second item. Darling. Alright, moving right along. So the next thing I got was the Prettylittlething logo striped jogger. I got the gray one. So it's basically sweatpants. And it says Prettylittlething on close to the leg. So I'll show you. And I got these in a size medium because I also wanted these to fit like a little loose or oversized, whatever you call it. So this is next. Right, so these are the sweats. They're pretty standard sweat. It has like a tight leg at the bottom. Skinny, whatever you want to call it. So these are cute. Alright, and then the last thing that I got is this green asymmetrical hem oversized blazer dress. Take that out for you. So far, out of the 4 things that I tried on, only one thing needs to go back, which is great. So this is the dress. This dress is so cute. I wanted it in black, but they didn't have my size. It was actually sold out. But this is cute. It's actually blazer material. It's not like that cotton material. But sometimes they have those blazers that are like shirts, and they look so cheap. But this is not. This is not that. It has shoulder pads in it. It's real cute. So I'm gonna try this on. Alright, so this is the dress on. It's very low cut, so you probably can't wear a bra with this. I mean, if you could find a bra that conceal under here, go for it, but I had to take my bra off. So this is it. I might want to put like a little belt or something around the waist. I don't know, but it's cute. It's oversized, and this is a size 4. So this is, you don't have to order up to get it oversized. It comes oversized already. This is pretty cute. So I would say out of my 5 items, I'm happy with 4 of them. I have to send 1 back. And I like this. It's so cute. something you can wear for like a special occasion, a dinner, party. This is mad cute. I love this. This is probably my favorite item. Okay, so thank you for watching me. Okay. Gotta go live my life now, honey.